our developer forum. Maybe you could just tell everybody a little bit about what Microsoft's been doing in the mixed reality space.
Well, our journey with mixed reality really began back in January 2015 when we introduced HoloLens and the Windows Holographic platform. This platform included this Holographic Shell and perception APIs that enable you to try to interact with your devices just like you interact with the real world. Since that time, it's just been amazing to see HoloLens go from a dream to reality. It's been amazing to see what people empowered with holograms have been able to do. Now, we built HoloLens using Intel's Cherry Trail technology. And we built HoloLens to really push the limits of what's possible with mixed reality. And then this past June, at the Computex conference, we started talking with hardware partners about sharing this Windows holographic platform with all of them. So they could build not just new augmented reality devices, but virtual reality devices, augmented reality devices, and everything in between. And now today, we're so excited to be here with Intel to discuss how we're going to partner in this mixed reality space because we share this common vision.
That's right. So when we looked at the virtual reality system, the ecosystem, so we realized we could optimize the hardware and software interaction together and really allow the developer ecosystem to flourish. And our vision of virtual reality, this whole mixed reality world, is really aligned quite nicely with Microsoft. So we decided to make this groundbreaking partnership and talk about this morning. So maybe, Terry, you could talk to the audience a little bit about what our plans are for Windows Holographic.
Well, sure. Well, next year, we will be releasing an update to all Windows 10 PCs that will include the Windows Holographic Shell. That means these Windows 10 PCs will be able to connect a head-mounted display and experience Windows Holographic and run all of these Windows Holographic applications. Now, Windows Holographic enables this entirely new experience where you can interact not just with 3D holographic applications, but also 2D applications. It's a form of multitasking in mixed reality, unlike any other platform. Now let's take a sneak peek of what this update to all Windows 10 PCs next year will enable. These Windows 10 PCs running the Windows Holographic, you'll be able to interact with your familiar universal Windows apps, as well as these new three-dimensional holographic Windows apps all at the same time, creating this fully immersive experience, enabling these head-mounted displays to leverage a full 6 degrees of freedom. And we're so excited by this collaboration with Intel, which is enabling us to bring this Windows holographic experience to mainstream PCs. And I really mean mainstream PCs. That video we just saw was running in my office on this tiny Intel NUC, an Intel Skylake NUC running Intel's embedded Iris graphics at 90 frames per second, that virtual reality experience that we just saw. I'm also very excited that Microsoft and Intel are collaborating on a common mixed reality specification but what a mixed reality-enabled PC and associated head-mounted display would be to enable the ideal Windows holographic experience. We're working with a number of partners on this version 1 spec right now, and we plan to release that specification at WinHack in Shenzhen this December.
So this is truly a groundbreaking announcement for the virtual reality industry. But I think we went well beyond that as well, correct?
Well, the optimizations we're making are not only just for PCs, these desktops, laptops, and these tiny nooks, but we'll also be extending this to Project Alpha.
So that, for us, is really exciting because I think I can see the Windows experience when you're really untethered, free to move in 6 degrees. That's going to be great. So to go along with that announcement, in the second half of 2017, Intel will open source the Alloy hardware, allowing everyone access to the build sheets and exactly what it takes to build an Alloy themselves. We'll also open up the RealSense API so you can have access to those, allowing developers and partners to create their own branded products from the Alloy design. And what this means is that anybody can take the Alloy hardware, combine it with Windows Holographic, and build a world-class virtual reality system with any manufacturer they choose.
We just look forward to bringing Windows. Oh, it's awesome. But we're so excited about the partnership, excited to bring Windows Holographic to the platform and see what developers can do with it to enable these new immersive applications.
Thanks a lot for coming on stage and sharing Windows Holographic. So for me, I'm really excited about this. This really puts the power of virtual